Discover an amazing vacation with Norwegian Cruise Line and experience an award-winning 7-day itinerary to Bermuda. With 3 full days to play in this tropical paradise, your options are as endless and enticing as Bermuda's beaches. Explore like an islander and discover what's left of the Montana, one of hundreds of shipwrecks encircling the islands. Swing like a champion on Riddles Bay, Bermuda's oldest golf course. Play like a child, building shimmering pink sandcastles large enough to house the whole family. Shop like a maven in the shadows of colonial landmarks. As the only cruise line sailing from Boston to Bermuda, get a head start on the weekend with Friday departures on Norwegian Dawn. Or leave the island of Manhattan for a more easygoing island and take the best of NYC with you aboard our newest ship, Norwegian Breakaway. Enjoy the very best in dining and entertainment, including 3 unique Broadway shows on the largest and most exciting ship to ever home port in New York City. More choices of what to do and see with the freedom to do it your way. That's the beauty of freestyle cruising. Make your vacation your own and cruise like a Norwegian.